Tabukni digitally jorabo shabo bofru shaboni kahamno nasing manya gei social media account hack klai nahari sino kebo shaimanya abahaino belai wana jangnai patimung patioi thaka social media bo Bubagra mongai kaisa fan page tongmani fiaba hackers rock hack klai naharka asuk simia tabuke Bubagra page o hamya photo rupo viral khlaijagui tongo Bubagra no mokhang hamya khlaidani bagai Aboni bagino tiri sangrong salo cyber crime ni SP ni thani kaisa complaint Khwlaikha Tipra Motha ni bokhaktui aro manjaka kusam hastini Tipra hamkrai mantri Mebar Kumar Jamatia manjaka kusam MLA Rajeshwar Devarma khobui kubuni adoro.
Today we have come here for complaining the cyber crime, that one Facebook were using the name of Bubagra, which was hacked today, and it is very serious crime that lot of picture was added in the Facebook. So we complained to the SP cybercrime to look into the matter, and since it is a Bubagra matter, the Tipra Motha are very serious about this matter, and we appeal to the authority to take into action. And I also request all our friends to be careful, because this trend is very much going on in our state, that the social media and hacking is happening daily routine. So we, on behalf of our Tipra Motha, we complain today, and it is very unfortunate that our icon Bubagra, his Facebook, his account was used by our party only, but it was hacked. So therefore, it is very serious matter, and we request on behalf of our party to take into action immediately. Tini singoro mafaika tini SP noro cybercrime ni SP. Singluka tini aja Facebook tini Bubagra ni mungti Facebook sing talok tungmani abo hegingka. Te gabang putu citra rok aro daljaka singluka. Abang abo belai ke lachama singsa. Te belai wana ma singsa. Tini Tipra Motha nengai sing tinoro SP Malaika, chin dolo tong chini former MLA chin Dalsin Deborma, chin media friend, chin Buribodol, Doctor Singor Faye, as a complaint letter, they were watching detail cox Khwlaikha, Bor Shawat and Chester Kainai, Abonotun Tres out Kenebagi Bor Chester Kainai, Abonabogits and Koinai, they are there, Chini icon, Chin Bubagra number of Bobum Dunam Kenebagi, Hamia Kenebagi, just a Talok Tongo, our like it's in serious Mangnai, they sing over Manai and Kansak Lai, Yoma Chini Tipra Motha no durnam khaina bagai chini Bubagra no durnam khaina bagai onek boro conspiracy salak tongo amna sing careful mangnai hambai.